Hello, it's AliMECH. Today I started my car and have check engine light on, so I had to use OBD scanner to see what code causes check engine light to come on. The code is P0013 and it's the camshaft sensor solenoid. We know that when you change your engine oil too late, this code comes on, or if the solenoid not working. I changed the oil last week and it's the same brand and same viscosity, so it's not the oil causing this problem. So we're gonna remove the solenoid and check it if it's working or not, and also clean it. Removing camshaft sensor solenoid is very easy. Just unplug the wire harness and undo the 10mm bolt. It should slide out just like this, and I like to put a shower towel here to stop the oil from spilling out. The solenoid is out. I don't see any oil sludge on it, but we're gonna clean it anyway with carb cleaner. Next, we're gonna test it. All we need is an alligator wire clip just like this. Clip it on the terminals, and it doesn't matter which one is the positive or the ground. It's a coil and it will work both ways. All we need to give it 12 volts and be able to hear it clicking and the solenoid moving. Now we're gonna put the solenoid back just like we remove it. Now the solenoid clean and we are 100% sure that it's working. After I clear the code, next morning same code came back. So I had to check the connection and found out this. When the copper oxidizes, it will leave a green residue and cause a poor connection. I'm gonna use CRC electronic cleaner. It's a quick dry, safe for plastic and prevents contact failure. After spraying few times, the green oxidized layer is gone. Pretty sure it was causing the code to come on due to poor connection. So when the camshaft sensor solenoid code P0013 comes on, it might be a dirty solenoid or a failed solenoid. Or just like this one, poor connection, either if it's the wire harness or solenoid terminals. And we are done. It's been after 2 days and I haven't got any codes. So it was a poor connection problem. Hope I covered all the scenarios if you have a similar code. So if the video was helpful and learned something new in a short time, like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.